This activity is to gain speed and accuracy in times tables. Students generate multiples of a given number. They use this task card. Let's say this is card number 9, and I place card number 9 here. And now I need to identify what times table this is. So I count the blanks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times something is 30. And we know that 5 times 6 is 30. And if I don't know, I can use the reference sheet where I see 5 times 6 is 30. So this is 6 times. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 18, 24, 30. That was given to us. 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Let's take another one. Card number 24. This is a little easy because we have 2 numbers here. So the difference between these two is 4. So that means these are multiples of 4. So 4, we also know that 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32 given to us, 36 is also given to us, and this is 40. Students use directions. Here are the directions. Students can follow the directions and work on this independently. Here is teacher exemplar that sets expectations. Answers provide immediate feedback. And if students need reference cards, here are the reference cards for times 2, 3, 4, all the way to 12.